Introduction to design. Design is all around us, whether it's the app you use every day, the poster you see on the street, or the website you browse for information. Today, we're diving into three essential areas of design: graphic design, UX design, and UI design. We'll also explore the differences between UX and UI, which are often confused with each other. Let's get started. What is graphic design? First up, graphic design. Graphic design is the art of combining text, images, and ideas to communicate a message effectively. It's the craft of creating visual content to convey messages. Graphic designers use typography, color, imagery, and layout techniques to create a visual representation of ideas and messages. You see graphic design everywhere, from logos and branding to posters, brochures, and websites. Graphic design is all about visual communication. It's not just about making things look good. It's about creating a visual language that connects with people. What is UX design? UX stands for user experience, and it's all about how a person feels when they use an app, website, or any product. Think about your favorite app or game. If it's easy to use and you know exactly where to tap or swipe, that's good UX design. UX designers are like detectives. They find out what the users need and what problems they face. Then they create a step-by-step plan to help users have a smooth experience. This could be anything from making sure a button is in the right place to designing the way users move from one screen to another. They use something called wireframes, which are like blueprints for building, but for apps or websites. These blueprints show what goes where and help figure out the best way for users to get things done, like finding a product, adding it to a cart, and checking out. UX designers also test their ideas with real people to see if they work well. If users have trouble finding something or get confused, the UX designer will make changes until everything feels right. So UX design is all about understanding people and creating a smooth, easy, and enjoyable experience for them. What is UI design? If you've ever used an app or website, you've seen UI design in action. It's about designing all the parts you interact with, like buttons, icons, menus, and even the colors and fonts. Imagine you're designing a video game. UI designers decide where a play button goes, what color it should be, and how big it needs to be. They make sure everything looks good and feels right. UI design is like decorating a room. You choose what goes where to make it look nice and work well. So UI design is all about making things look nice and easy to use. The better the UI, the easier and more fun it is for people to interact with an app or website. Difference between UX and UI. So what's the difference between UX and UI? They sound similar, but they do very different things. Think of it like this. UX design is like planning a trip. You decide where you want to go, how to get there, and what to do. It's about making sure everything goes smoothly. UI design, on the other hand, is like packing your suitcase. You choose your favorite clothes, shoes, and gadgets to make your trip comfortable and fun. In the world of apps and websites, UX is the plan that makes sure everything goes well for the user, while UI is the style and design that makes everything look cool and easy to use. UX asks, does it work well? UI asks, does it look good? Let's use Instagram as an example. UX design is like how you scroll through your feed, tap on a post, or find new people to follow. It's about making sure all these actions are easy and make sense. UI design is how the feed looks, the colors, the fonts, and the icons. Together, UX and UI create an app that's both easy to use and fun to look at. Conclusion. So to sum it up, graphic design is about creating beautiful images and graphics. UX design focuses on making sure things work well and feel good to use. And UI design is about making everything look good and easy to use. When all these design types come together, they create amazing products that people love to use every day. Hope you found this video helpful. To learn more, make sure you check out the next one. See you there.